In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the wide angle part of the tow mirror, which is that one at the bottom on this Ford F-150. And just so you know, when you unbox it, make sure you're aware that it comes in two pieces. Don't drop this piece of glass on the ground. We'll need to attach it to this backing. But the reason it's like this is because you need to access a mounting screw that is in here, which they provide you a new one as well. So let's get started. I'm going to start by putting some tape over this mirror. The reason for that is because the tape will actually prevent the glass from flying everywhere if it does happen to shatter. It will hold it in place. Try to cover as much of it as possible. Of course, you don't have to do this, but I recommend it. It doesn't have to be perfect. You're just covering this, like I said, to prevent glass from going everywhere, because we will need to pry this mirror off, and it is very likely to break. I'm going to use a pick and pry the plastic down, this ring of plastic around here, so I can get my trim tool under the glass and hopefully lift it up and off. There we go, I cracked the glass, so that's actually somewhat helpful at this point. Now, most likely if you're replacing this, the mirror, or the glass at least, is already broken. So there hopefully won't be as much glass prying for you. Be very careful when you do this. I'm going to lift up this piece. Get the tape off of here now. Okay, so this exposes the center. That's what we wanted. We wanted to access the screw that's right behind here. Okay. So now, with this out of the way, we can get to the screw that holds this whole mirror together. Use a Phillips head screwdriver, stick it in here, and unscrew this center piece. Once you unscrew this, the whole mirror will come out. Okay. Take this out, remove this, and there it is. Take the new assembly and slide it over here. Then you're going to want to have your screwdriver ready with this center piece, because you're going to want to put this on and then start in the screw that holds it all together. Now, you don't want to over tighten this because this is your pivot point here, but you do want to make it tight enough to where it's not going to wobble around. Now let's peel off the double-sided tape that is provided on here. Take the glass and carefully position it in place. Make sure it's lined up, because once you stick it on, you can't take it off without breaking it. And press it on firmly on all corners, and there you have it. Mirror is installed. That's why it's important to make sure it's properly attached before you put the glass in, because at this point, if you need to adjust that screw, it's too late. You're gonna have to break the mirror off.